So go ahead and bring the sits bones towards the edge of your chair. You want to distribute the weight evenly between the sits bones and the feet. So that's 20% in each, 25% in each foot, and 25% in each sits bone to find the balance. You want to go ahead and drop the tailbone down as though there's a weight hanging from the tailbone. Pelvis lifts just a little up. You should feel the Tai Chi pole run straight through the circle of the pelvis. Feel a little string on the top of your crown. You can tuck in the chin to have the back of the neck elongated. And go ahead and let the breath drop down into the dantian, the lower dantian, about 2 inches below the navel, 2 inches in the abdomen. And breathe from here. And then when you're ready, bring the hands to the heart center. Smiling into the heart center. Feeling this smiling energy accumulate in the heart, bringing a smile to the face. Allow this energy to spread throughout the entire body, throughout every cell in the body. And once you feel this, you can open your eyes and bring the hands to the lungs. Breathing into the lungs, you can go ahead and close the eyes and just sense the lungs. Sense what state they're in, what's really going on inside of the lungs. The lungs house the emotions for depression and sorrow, and inspiration and relief, as far as the positive qualities. So see if you're holding any sorrow, any grief, any depression in the lungs. And we're gonna delete it. Looking into each lung, moving the eyes from right to left. Delete the program, delete the sorrow, allow forgiveness. And then spiraling the eyes clockwise, circulate the energy into the lungs. And then we'll take the hands on the inhale, hands arise, turn to the ceiling, the elbows back a little bit. And on the exhale, release the sound. Bringing the arms to the side, bringing the chi into the lungs again. Smiling the white energy into the lungs, connecting to the metal element or the metal force. The lungs are the organ of autumn. Autumn is the season of letting go. So go ahead and move the eyes right and left as you look into the lungs, clearing out anything that you no longer want to hold on to, anything that you would like to go ahead and let go of to create more room for more life. And circle the eyes to spiral this white energy in the lungs. And on the next inhale, arms lift, rotating the palms towards the ceiling. Exhale the sound. Lowering the arms, bringing the chi into the lungs. And on this next one, we're going to raise the hands to the brain, to the face. Connect where you store the lung information in your brain. You can look right to left. You can also move the hands right to left as you look right to left. Deleting the program in your mind that is telling you to be depressed, to stay depressed, holding on to the grief and the sorrow. Delete. And now circulate the hands, clockwise circle, putting in the energy of forgiveness, of letting go into the brain, smiling. Inhaling the arms up one last time, rotating the palms to the ceiling. And bringing the energy now into the dantian, circulating the chi 36 times in the navel. Storing the energy, expanding the energy. Still smiling inwardly. And let's go ahead and reverse the movement 24 times, condensing the smiling energy into the lower dantian, into the chi ball the size of a pearl. The spiral gets smaller and smaller until there's no motion at all in the hands. Notice how you feel. This is the healing sound for the lungs. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and carry on with your day.